Sleep is an important part of our daily routine. We sleep about 1/3 of a day. It is a complex biological process. Even though we are unconscious in our sleep, our body and mind repairs itself and prepares us to stay healthy and active for the next day. Here you are. Fitveno, stay healthy, stay positive. To view more videos, subscribe our channel. Adequate sleep is important for decision-making, attention, learning as well as memory. It regulates blood pressure and lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Sleep is necessary to balance hormone levels in the blood in order to boost our immune system and to control obesity and diabetes. If we fail to maintain the quality of sleep, it will make us tired, both mentally and physically. With respect to age, people need a certain amount of sleep. If you are struggling to sleep well regularly, it can be due to a sleeping disorder. Sleeping disorders can impact physical and mental wellness. The major sleeping disorders are insomnia, the inability to fall asleep or sleep enough at night. Sleep apnea, it causes the stop of breath for 10 seconds or more while sleeping, which awakes you frequently. Restless leg syndrome, it is the urge to move legs or arms at night, during sleep. Narcolepsy, it is a condition which causes excess, uncontrolled daytime sleepiness. Circadian rhythm, the biological clock which regulates the sleep-awake cycle, can be disturbed by our lifestyle. There are some disorders linked with unbalanced circadian rhythm. Shift work sleep disorder, it happens when our work schedule and biological clock are out of sync. Delayed sleep phase disorder, it is a condition where our biological clock is delayed significantly. Jet lag, the temporary disruption in circadian rhythm when we travel across time zones. There are many reasons for sleeping disorders, namely, stress, anxiety, medication, nasal conjunction, working shift, the timing of our sleep, smoking, alcohol and travel. These disorders cause the increase or decrease in the amount of sleep which can affect our health. This leads to many problems to our organs. Sleeping problems mainly affect our brain and heart. It can cause impairment in brain functions like decreased cognitive functions, depression, headache and migraine. It can affect our mood, memory, listening capability, span of attention and concentration. Problems related to heart are increase in rate of cardiovascular diseases, coronary heart disease, increased blood pressure, angina and stroke. Another major side effect related to sleeping disorders is back pain. A change in lifestyle can contribute to improving our sleep. A few ways are, going to bed and getting up at the same time every day. Do not take naps after 3 p.m. and don't nap for longer than 20 minutes. Avoid caffeine and nicotine, don't eat heavy meals late in the day, make your bedroom comfortable. Follow a routine to help you relax yourself before sleep. Avoid screens like TV or mobile phones at least 1 hour before bed. Don't you see how important sleep is? So sleep well, stay healthy.